Good afternoon, people. Now, I thought I would do a semi unboxing. Well, it's not really an unboxing because I checked out the product in the shop before I bought it, but a stutterer buys a new camera bag. Now, before we go any further, as you can see, it's a low pro. It's a Nova 200 AW2 bag. Okay. Now, now we're going to check it out. Right. Yep, it's got a little pocket here. It's got this nice looking handle on it. Turn it round. What else have we got here? We've got a large pocket at the back. And it's got all of these little compartments here. Now what I like about this is, I don't know if you can see this or not, but you can take out part of the sections, fold it round to make one large section here. Now, apparently this is supposed to be used for a iPad. No, not this kind of iPad. An Apple computer iPad. That's what I meant to say. And it's actually got some little pockets in pockets. I don't know if you can see that. Can you all see that there? Yeah, it's got that there. And at the front, this opens up. It's got these small little pockets. I only just noticed this thing here. I'm not 100% sure what it's for. Maybe you can tell me in the comments what it's for. But anyway, that down there. And and look up here. It's got these. Yep, even more little pockets. And it's got this adjustable strap. oh, with these ones, has anyone used a bag with with these? Because despite the fact that they are obviously some thick metal, I have noticed that sometimes they actually break. And yeah. Yep, this can be this can be adjusted. It can hold things up. It's also got these little things here. I'm not 100% sure what they're for. Maybe for some old beer can. And it's got one on this side too. So, what do I normally carry in my camera bag? Well, besides my camera, of course. A flash. Some batteries for the flash. A spare lens. This is a 50mm lens. This lens, which is an 18 to 55mm lens, often good for taking photos of people, which is what I often like to do. Some tissues, a pen, a light meter, my diary, which brings me back to the pen. I have noticed that it is actually easy to carry around small pieces of paper, so I can make notes every now and then. And finally, a glass cleaner. So what did you think about that? Was there anything I left out? If there is, let me know.